Hi, Larry here today, Chesapeake RV Solutions. We're going to walk through this Cherokee Alpha Wolf 28 FK, and this is by Forest River RV. Starting right here at the steps, one thing that I'd like to point out, if you see the front entrance, leads into your living space. The back also has the step above motorized steps that leads to your bathroom, actually this is your bedroom. It has a rear bed, but generally on the Alpha Wolf it leads to a bathroom, which your bathroom is right beside the bedroom. And the nice thing, of course, is these mirrored glass doors that are nice. And this is a 28 FK front kitchen. It does have a enclosed underbelly which is heated. You do have outside speakers, GFI receptacle, your cable hookups. Another thing I like is the V bracket for the TV, so you can easily take your TV from inside, put it out here, and this does have the blue LED lights that go across the awning, and also the awnings does cover both sides of the door. You have the aluminum rims going across the back, another mirrored door, of course. And one thing with Alpha Wolf, I think you get more bang for your buck. One, you have a rack on the back for extra storage, maybe a generator, but also it comes with a camera already installed. And I had to spend about $600 for mine, so to have one already installed on the unit, and that actually goes to your phone. Nice graphics as well. Coming across the non-door side, you'll notice this has the cable slides, and one thing I like about these, you have laminated slide room walls going across. This is actually a 3-season extended unit, because your gate valves are actually enclosed in the underbelly, which is covered. Here's your super slide that holds your dinette and your jackknife couch. Now remember, this is a front kitchen. Your outside showers here on the outside, on the non-door side. Your hookups, your black tank flush, your fresh water connection, and your city water. 6-gallon water heater, works on gas or electric, which gives you a quicker recovery. I do like the graphics for these Alpha Wolves by Cherokee again. You do have the electric tongue jack. Oh, everybody's got to look cool when they're at the campsites. So you do have blue LED lights on the front. This also will come with two 20-pound tanks of propane, and of course we'll set you up with a Interstate RV Marine battery. Just to give you another look on the outside. Also, if you notice, the Juice solar pack, it actually has a 100-watt solar panel on the roof, and this does have the PVC membrane roof. Again, it's one of the ones that we like because you don't have to retreat it like the old rubber roofs. Magnet clips, and a little bit of storage, a little more than some. You do have a battery disconnect, your solar charge controller, and that's actually a motion sensor night light. And you know, you have a big dog, you have some that have the leash latches at the doors, which are fine, cute. They're a bottle opener, yeah, that's fine. But I can actually say that I'd actually put a bigger dog tied to this, and you don't have to worry about them pulling your camper all over the place. But that's a nice touch as well, to have the D-ring as your leash latch. Now let's go inside and see what they got. So one thing you can see before we go in, it is a solid door from the inside, but it does have that glass front, the mirrored glass, which is real nice. You can purchase an aftermarket shade for that window there. And you do have your screen door, of course. And this is actually nice as well. You can actually set this up for Bluetooth, and it will work from your phone, or you can just about do everything from your phone. Let me turn some lights on, and notice the blue LED lights above your slide. Also in your speakers, gives it a nice touch. And just coming in from the door, you do see your jackknife couch or your futon. Nice U-shaped dinette, fits plenty of people. And oh, these are nice acrylic lights. And one thing with these that's a little bit different than others, they actually have, and they call them zebra blinds, which are nice. If you want to dark it out, you can have them that way. Let in a little bit of light. That's a nice touch. I like those. Nice valance that covers the roll. And if you notice the front of that, it does have the sink cover with the seamless countertop, but also it's black stainless steel, which is very nice, gives it a nice look. You do have, it used to be a soap dispenser, now it's a sanitizer. So I guess this is a COVID unit. And do you have your little popcorn microwave? Your hood fan. And oh, back there you do have your cutting board, which doubles as a backsplash, but also you do have the glass countertop, not like they didn't give you enough counter space. And you do have a 3-burner stove top. Black stainless steel again. This is a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. And let me put this down. Also nice, if you notice there's little clips on the side or little stops on the side, so when you're going down the road this won't come flying out at you. And nice size freezer. And refrigerator. Nice thing about these, they actually cool down a lot quicker than the propane electric. Oh, that's a nice touch. For like cans or drinks that you would have. It does have this little handle. Keep it closed as you're going down the road. Now, one thing I did miss as I walked in the door, this actually has a pantry, and it's actually a faux doorknob. It's not where you twist it, but it's actually got magnets that you pull and it will release a door. But also you got little jacket hooks here. But look at the size of this pantry. Definitely have enough room for extra storage. One thing as well, all these interior lights you can actually turn on and off individually if it's too bright in here. And again, I like the little kitchen or the dinette chandelier with those little acrylic bulbs. One thing I like as well is being able to not bring so many TVs, but you can take this TV, it does have a little V bracket like on the outside, so you can pop one from here, put it on the outside if you'd like to. You do have a AM FM radio, you can stream to it, Bluetooth, all that. And nice touch is the fireplace. Of course, that's electric, puts out about 5,000 BTU, so on a chilly morning like this morning, definitely take the chill out the air. And little jackknife couch, have the armrest on the side. You can actually put them on the top as well as the headrest. And just like a futon, you can actually move these out the way. You have a little bit of storage down there, but there you go. You got yourself another sleeping spot. And I'll also show you how it looks when you break down that U-shaped dinette as well. So now, by removing those back cushions, that's a nice size bed for more sleeping. You can probably sleep about, I don't know, 5-6 people in here. Between that, the couch, and the queen size residential queen size bed in the back. And let me put this back together again. This is one thing that I also, a lot of times there's either a cabinet door down there, you got to pull the board, try to get to what you store underneath the dinette. This actually does have a drawer. Nice thing as well. You notice I can't open it. And it's something simple. They just put a block of wood under there. So when you're going down the road, it doesn't come flying open. Lift. Pull it out. Definitely have a nice size drawer underneath. It's located on both sides, but it definitely beats having to move the cushions, pull the bench seat up to try to get whatever's in back. So here they kind of make it easy for you. And as you close it, just lift it up and it doesn't come open. Pretty easy touch, but it took somebody to figure it out. Anyway. Oh, one thing, these are slider windows, so you can definitely open them up, get a nice breeze. And that's the entrance to the bedroom, and if you can see the LED lights above the slide. But this is nice. You actually have two entrances to the bathroom. You have the corner spa shower, nice sized medicine cabinet. But what I'm amazed of, most of these manufacturers put you a little bitty sink. You can actually wash your hands in this sink. It's a pretty good sized basin. It also comes with the porcelain toilet. But the nice thing here, and I always hear that I don't get my stubble in the sink or whatever. This you can actually get your stubble in, but hey, you're camping. Yeah, I'm not shaving anyway. You do have a GFI receptacle, also one of those motion sensor night lights, and of course, for your vertically challenged people, you do have the skylight right in the shower. Just to show you the amount of room. And you do have a fantastic fan in the bedroom. 3-speed, of course. Now, going out the second entrance to the bathroom, you can actually see the second exterior entrance. And this does have a pocket door. You can close that off to the bathroom. It does have a strap to keep it in place as you're going down the road. And one thing I like, look at the size of that wardrobe. And of course, everything that's outside we try to put inside, of course, but look at the size of that wardrobe. It does have the mirrors on the sliding doors. It does have that strap there, hold it in place. Nice sized drawers. And of course the cabinet below. Now in here you do have the fabric pleated blinds. These zebra blinds, those are only in the living area. You have that nice window above the headboard, or above the head of the bed. It does come with the pillows and comforter, of course. What I like, they give you a little landing area for your cell phones, whatnot. Both sides actually do have the USB ports and receptacles for charging up your gadgets. And you do have storage underneath the bed. You do have those struts to hold it open for you. So this unit, you do have plenty of storage. And just to give you a quick glance through the unit, you can also put a TV or coax. Another receptacle is up there. It's probably going to take probably a 20-inch, 24-inch TV. A look at the bathroom again. And that fan is in your bathroom, not your bedroom. Coming down the hallway, of course, again with that blue LED light. Your jackknife couch. Your U-shaped dinette. And again, those zebra blinds. Nice size windows in your living area. And again, there's enough counter space in here. So if you have a crock pot, a toaster oven, a blender, anyway, you have plenty of counter space. Hope you enjoyed
enjoyed the walkthrough today of this Cherokee Alpha Wolf 28FK. If you like this unit or any other units that we have on our website, please come by and see us. Also, here at Chesapeake RV Solutions, we're here to help you create the memories you'll talk about forever. Thank you.